Girls, kayo una, please, pwesto na. Here's your song. 1984, Menudo. If you're not here by my side.
Your perfume has me burning, my heart yearning to touch your lips. It's so much. If you're not here by my side, it won't make me tears. I'll try to hide. Don't think I can take it. I know I won't make it without you.
Kasi, balik kayo dito. Wala, saya. Saya. Okay, subukan naman po natin ang team. Tagalize. Please, pwesto na. Here's your song. 1982, Rick Secreto, don't know what to say, don't know what to do.
You're a hopeless romantic, it's what they say. Falling in and out of love just like a flame. Memorizing each line, I still don't know what to say. What to say? Don't know what to do whenever you want it.
Don't know what to say. My heart is flowing in tears.
I'm sorry, ang tumpak na lyrics po I don't know what to say, my heart is floating in tears. Ayan.
Rumaw na lang ako, pwede.
Team Kitty Girls, dahil nagkamali sila, patok na kayo sa next round. Please. Thank you. Nice, very nice. Okay, Team Harana, pwesto na kayo. Here's your song. 1990, Jamie Rivera. Awit para sa'yo.
Hindi naman inaasam, pag-ibig mo ay makamtan. Maaari ba kitang maging kaibigan? Iiwasan ko sana ang mapakilala, ngunit matitiis ko ba?
Kaibigan lang ang nais. Sorry! Mga kaibigan, alam mo, tutulungan niyo ako dalawa. Excuse me, sandali lang. Ako may kapulong sa akin. Ang tumpak na lyrics po ay...
Kaibigan kita, pag-ibig ko ay makamtan. Maaari ba kitang maging kaibigan? Iniwasan ko sana ang magpakilala, ngunit matitiis ko ba?
Ito na!
Kaibigan lang naman ang nais ko sa'yo.
Hindi! Nauna yung ang kanina doon sa naman.
I-replay
Diba,
mo.
Jamie?
Hindi, i-replay mo. Tama ako.
Hindi na. Subukan natin ang TV Saigon. Pwesto na. Please, here's your song. 1998, Mathas. Miss You Like Crazy.
When I think of you, I don't know what to do. When will I see you again? I miss you like crazy, even more than words can say. I miss you like crazy, every minute of every day. Girl, I'm so down when your love's not around.
you, I miss you.
Ang tumpak na lyrics po ay I miss you, miss you, miss you, miss you like crazy. Ay, nako. Okay? Kaya tayo po ay magta-tiebreaker dahil lahat po sila ay nagkamali. Okay, here we go. 1986. Team Saigon, play or pass? I-pass nyo, hindi nyo alam yan.
Pass daw eh.
Pa?
Pass daw.
Pass? Kayo mo ipapasa, Isay. Kayo no?
Sa mga nakatatanda.
Sa mga nakakatanda. Okay, atras muna kayo. Atras din ang Miss Saigon. Pabayaan natin ang Team Harana. 1986, Bon Jovi. You give love a bad name. Oh, asa rin ito? Tiebreaker to. Tiebreaker ba? Ang tumpak po na lyrics ay your game. Ang gulo mo, Jay. Harana! Ano sa Europe? Ano kami? Paano sila papasok? Marco, thank you. Thank you, Harana. Hinamrani! Congrats sa inyo lahat. Additional 3,000, total 6,000 each. Susunod po, magbabalik kami para sa Singing Ulit!